then shows up at Zoleka's house. They share a moment with Lazarus and end up kissing. She even met Ubavumile. This happens after Zoleka and Lazarus were celebrating their victory of getting Ubavumile back and raising him without Hlati in the picture. Now, Hlati is back home, but Tumeka is showing no sympathy at all. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So, the family is sitting Gamabandla Cosmo. Hlati walks in, he's back from prison, and he's happy. Everyone is happy. Well, Unsigi no Tulani, no Younger, but Tumeka and Ligamva are not happy. Unsigi is even saying that, why are you acting like this? Acting like Kufiwe, there's a funeral while Umtata is back home from prison. You're supposed to be happy. Tumeka was not entertaining anything at all. Unsigi even insisted that Tumeka cooks a hearty meal for Uhlati, but Tumeka nje was not bulging. She just sat there. Kusulumlomo was like angingeni. Unsigi even said, let me go and cook. Uyanga girl ke wasiza uDabs. Now, Uzoleka and Lazarus are celebrating their victory of getting Ubavumile back and getting to raise him without Hlati in the picture, because they got Hlati to sign over Ubavumile for his freedom, so they can drop everything and not expose him for all the bribing and dealings he did for making sure that Zoleka does not get access to Kawe. So he agreed to that because he took the deal because he knew he saw that this thing is not going to end well for him. So Uzoleka and Lazarus are happy. Lazarus is happy that Ubavumile remains in Ngungana Home Affairs, and he's just so happy that they've got their little family back and they can raise Ubavumile without Uhlati busy annoying them all the time. Lazarus is now even saying that I wonder why you don't want to be Mrs. Ngungana. Meaning Lazarus still hopes that Uzoleka would agree to marry him. Abe Mrs. Ngungana, but Uzoleka akangeni lapho ezomshado. She specifically said that she doesn't want that anymore. Lazarus says that she wants them to go on vacation. Mhlambe him, Zoleka and Kawe and Bavumile, like go on a family vacation, man, and unwind. It's been they've been through a lot, so it would be nice to just get out. And then Tumeka ke Uhlati is going on about how he said he is because he's lost his son, telling to, because Tumeka was busy preparing to go for an interview. Uhlati, don't worry about me, I won't lose my job, I won't have a criminal record, because Zoleka and Lazarus made sure that I do not end up with a criminal record after they forced me to sign over Ubavumile to them. And so I cannot get close to him, I don't have access to him anymore. And so he's going on about how much, how hurt he is. Tumeka is not even paying attention to him, as that's how Tumeka, I'm putting out my heart to you. When that's what you expect me to say. Feel bad for you, have sympathy for you. After when uthatha kanjalo, ripped him off his family, drive off with him recklessly, what do you think was going to happen, eh? But those do you think you're going to storm out with Nomtanako? Do you think that you can end up walking away with Nomtwana without any consequences? Uhlati was hurt with Tumeka is not siding with him or is not sympathizing with him. And he said Tumeka is heartless because Tumeka mene, she's a hypocrite. Pela, this thing of him dropping charges, the custody case was not just for him, it was also for Tumeka, because after Uzoleka and Lazarus were done with him, they were also going to come for Tumeka. Tumeka tears in that we wouldn't be having this conversation if when you had just let Uzoleka and Lazarus raise their child. But now when I had to interfere because when putting our lives at risk, angering people that, like powerful people that can even kill us. Selfish, I'm not going to sympathize for you. That is going on, but please open those man for Muntu if you want to sit here and have a pity party, don't involve me. I will not be bullied by you, Hlati, and be manipulated by you. I was so impressed by Tumeka going on, actually standing up for herself and telling Hlati where to get off, because this man thinks he's all that while abanye abantu uyabahlukumeza. I was so happy to have Tumeka stand up for herself and leave Uhlati like this, because, I mean, what is that? What did you think was going to happen, Kanene? He was going to do all these tactics and end up in Ubavumile? They was never going to let him do that. He must just take a back seat and let them raise ubavumile. Akhulise umndeni wakhe naye uyanga nolikamva and focus on his own family nomshado wakhe noThumeka. And then Lilian shows uSydney the video of Uqhawe and Zethu talking about uZoleka being intimate with Umawethu. uSydney was so happy at Umawethu noZoleka. I never saw this coming. I could have never saw this coming. And Lilian wants to now take this forward. Lazarus does not know about this thing, so she wants to expose it. But I was thinking because it's huge, it's big, it's a big scandal enough to let Uzolega down and affect Kutsela. But you said like, no, we need something big, man. This is not good enough. And then she asked Uzolega and Lazarus, Uzolega uhlala phi? Amtshele ke uSydney, and then she goes over to Uzolega's house. Finds Lazarus I1 endlini, because Zolega had gone to the office. Lazarus is shocked with her. How do you know where we live? Ufunanla. I'm here to say goodbye to Zolega because I'm going back to Cape Town. At Zoleka's office, you'll find out the office. And then you start saying, yo, being a father has changed you. You can just see how relaxed you are, even on your face. You are you're happy. And then Lazarus, that's fine. I'll call him and leave. And then because Mtwana started crying on the monitor, Lazarus goes to check on Ubavumile and she must leave. But Lilian didn't leave. Comes over, now starts talking, saying, and then she's met to Ubavumile. Look at him, so beautiful and so tiny. How could Zolega walk away from this so early after the ordeal? And then now she starts mentioning what I heard, what kidnapped Mtwana. Lazarus was shocked with how news travel fast. It doesn't even make sense what you told up in that. And then she says, how could Zola go back to work after the ordeal? Like, if it was me, I'd want to be home all the time just looking at this beautiful face. And then she starts asking Lazarus, how? Are you happy, no Zoleka? Are you happy, no Zoleka? Or you're just settling? Lazarus went on about how happy he is, and that is it's the happiest he's ever been. And then she still wants a family. And even if it's not with Lazarus, but then Utando Ubenalo for Lazarus was like she really loved hard, and she doesn't think she'll ever find love like that again. And then Sondele Lazarus, remember how we talked for hours, and that made me feel alive. Ntoni athi bemthanda Lazarus. The next thing I'm Sondelela and starts kissing Lazarus. The sad part is that Lazarus responded. It's a different story if someone kisses you and you push them back without responding. But Lazarus kissed her back. Lazarus has just cheated on our Zoe. What? With Lilian Nohal. All this time I thought, why would Lilian keep getting under his skin? And even Zara at some point was asking, do you still love her? Now I'm conflicted. What is happening? Why is Laz kissing Lilian back? I mean, that was so odd for me. Well, he pushed her back and told her it was a mistake. Lilian's like, no, it was not a mistake. You kissed me back. I'm up, and then she goes on about now you're the man that I've always wanted. This has nothing to do with you. This has everything to do with Zoleka. I'm this woman because I'm the woman Zoleka wants me to be, and I'm happy. Please leave, man. Mina, at least Mina Zoleka, it's real. I don't have to pretend to love her. There are no secrets between us. And Mina, now we never had that. So please, Lilian, I'll man. This was a mistake. Well, Lilian was hurt. You could tell that Lilian was hurt. She was so hurt. Imagine someone telling you that Uzoleka is 1,000 times the woman that you ever be. Lilian was hurt. Seeing Lazarus is really in love with Uzoleka. My plans did not work. She's probably going to expose the whole thing no my way to now because Lazarus has turned her down. And then, Ongage apologizes to Kawe, asking Kawe, are you okay? Apologizes for the other day when Kawe Mshela and says, Kuba, you and I can never happen because we are colleagues, I'm your boss. So I don't want things to work hard between us. And then they shake on it saying, go right, okay, now we've leveled it up. But it's funny because they had already spoken about it. Kawe already apologized, I don't know what got over me. But Onga is still bringing it up. I think Onga now is starting to have ideas. I think they will end up dating one way or the other. Especially if Onga is going to find out about this whole thing. Because Ukawa was dating my way too. And now He's probably going to do it to get back at my weight, to make sure ukuthi my weight feels ukuthi now sumthathele intombi yakhe first a job now intombi yakhe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.